Welcome to Cooking with Charlie. Okay, so first we're gonna make the bread, and first you wanna add 1.5 cups of water. Six teaspoons of yeast. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 4 cups of flour. And then 2 teaspoons of salt. Now you gotta let it run in your bread machine to make that pizza dough. After the dough's ready, you want to wash your hands, and then we have to start actually making the pizza. So divide your doughs into clumps like this. I'm making a couple of small pizzas. So yeah, you put this in cornmeal to season it while you roll it. Then now we're just gonna continue rolling this. Your hands might get sticky to it. And you want it pretty thin if you're making it with this type of dough, because this is like a thin type of dough, like for thin crust and stuff like that. We're gonna put the pizza on the pizza spatula like this before we put any toppings on, because it's really rough to put all the toppings on with it. And so first we're gonna rub the edges with olive oil for the crust. Okay, that was not too good. And then once you get that crispy look, you should be pretty good. And then now we're just gonna grab some roasted garlic around the edges. There we go. And now we're gonna grab the tomato sauce. And then we're just gonna spread it out with the spoon. A bit more. And now we're gonna put on our meat. Also, shout out to Calabria for all of this equipment we're using with, like the tomato sauce and the meat. And at this part, you guys who are watching this, you can add whatever you want to your pizza as long as you think it's good on your pizza. Otherwise, why would you add it if you don't like it to your pizza? Now we're gonna grab some ham. I'm really messy with my ham. Next, we use hot capicola. Well, that's what I like on my pizza, so whatever you guys like. And now, we're gonna add this cheese. Shredded cheese. And now we're gonna grab the oregano. Oh yeah, get that oregano in that pizza. Fantastic. There we go. So this is what your pizza should look like, and if you can move it pretty well on the pizza spatula, it should be easy to put on the barbecue to cook it. It's windy again. Here, and now we're gonna slide on our pizza. Like that. Oh, how do I get this one?
Push it.
Now it's time to cut it my way. Now we're gonna be taking a bite of the pizza and showing you my reaction. So here's one of our slices. It's really good. Really crunchy. Perfect amount of meat. Really spicy. Well, not really spicy, but like good amount of spice. Cheese, really easy to bite through and really soft. 10 out of 10 for me. Really good pizza.